Hi everyone, welcome to Patio Dreams. Today we are going to make a Fuchsia and Stripes necklace. So let's get started. As you can see at the corner, I have three color beads for this necklace: violet, rose and a striped bead. So first take the rose color polymer clay, knead it well and make it into a tubular shape. So we are actually going to make tube shaped beads. So start cutting our polymer clay into equal pieces and shape them between your fingers to get a tube shaped beads. This is how you need to shape the beads between your fingers to get that tube shape. After making all the beads, make small holes inside the beads. Make it as center as possible. Now grab a toothpick and poke a small hole into the bead. And after making every beads, you can bake them. Similarly, do the same procedure with the violet color polymer clay and bake them as well. Now for the striped bead, I am taking a black and white polymer clay. Similarly, I've done kneading and make it into a long shape. Twist it together to make a marble shape. And do the same procedure as done with the rose color and violet color polymer clay. Now all the beads are baked and it is all cooled down, so we can cord them now. So here I have taken a braiding cord and start beading. And it's done. This is how the necklace looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.